welcome to next vocabulary Kyugo lesson. And so today the vocabulary is going to be about money. Okay, some different words related to money and finance. So let's go ahead and start on our vocabulary list. And if you need to look at the Japanese, just look at the translation word on the right side of the word. Our first word is cash. Next is cashless. Debt, bank, change, finance, investment, and the last one is value. So 8 vocabulary words. Some of them are easy and you might have learned them very early in your studying stage, and some of them are maybe a little more difficult that you don't understand very well. Finance might be one of those, or investment, or maybe even value. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the translations of the words and have a few example sentences. So first, for cash, this store only takes cash. This store only takes cash. Cashless. America is slowly becoming a cashless society. So in America, a lot of times we don't use cash. We use debit cards. And in Japan, they don't really use debit cards, but we use a lot of debit cards to buy things. And also we use credit cards. And sometimes we use our phone to buy things as well. Okay? The next word is debt. If you are already in debt, then I don't recommend buying that. Next is bank. That bank is always closed on Sundays. Okay, that's kind of an easy word. Next we have change. I think I forgot to get my change this morning while I was shopping. Change, okay, that's another pretty easy word. Finance. Her brother has a master's degree in business. He knows a lot about finance. And so this is more of a difficult word. It's used a lot in business settings. You can also talk about your own finance. If you're talking about your own finance in the Japanese, it wouldn't really be kinyu. It'd be more like keizai taking up. And so my own finances, our financial would be in Japanese. It wouldn't be kinyu. It'd be more like keizai or keizai taking no. And so it's a little bit different. But in the business sense, finance would be this right here. Investment. What kind of investments do you have in the stock market? Value. And this word is used a lot in English. The example sentence says, wow, I think this leather wallet has great value. I'll go ahead and buy it. All right, let's have some test time. We'll go ahead and learn the words a little bit more. Okay, question 1. Do you know a lot about? Go ahead and fill in the blank. Is it finance, value, bank, or cash? And the answer is finance. Do you know a lot about finance? Very good. Okay, question 2. This store is blank. You cannot use that money. The answer is cashless. This store is cashless. You cannot use that money. Okay, question 3. Did you receive your blank after your purchase? The answer is change. Did you receive your change after your purchase? And question 4. I used my credit card too much and I have a lot of blank. And the answer is debt. I used my credit card too much and I have a lot of debt. Okay, and always to sum it up, we're going to go ahead and have a paragraph where you have to fill in the blanks, okay? So go ahead and take a few seconds. If you need more time, pause the video. We're going to go over the answer in a few seconds, okay? All right. Here we go. And here are the answers. I'll go ahead and read the whole paragraph together. I thought this department store was cashless, but it wasn't. I had to go to the bank to get cash. I was able to buy the purse that I wanted, but this is the last thing I can buy this month. I don't want to be in debt. Okay, so here's the last paragraph we're going to do today. Go ahead and try to fill in the blanks. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. And here's the answers. I would like to know more about finance. Could you teach me? What investment would be a good value? I want to buy stocks, so I am saving now. I am even saving all of the change when I go shopping or eat out with my friends. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you want to pick up more vocabulary words, I would recommend visiting either our Instagram page that has a lot of focus on vocabulary that comes out in the week. You can also check us out on Twitter. That has different vocabulary lists, sometimes some grammar points that are gone over. And also check out the homepage where you can also find some things on grammar and some vocabulary word lists and things as well. So thank you very much, and we will see you again. Goodbye.